day 26 of my ultra marathon walk preparation, 150-kilometer walk from Bangalore to Mysore. And there is one thing which has helped me to get even this far, that is to create a winning morning routine. And the number one practice of a winning morning routine, which I use myself and I share with my clients to use it for becoming elite performers, is a digital detox practice. What I mean by digital detox is when you wake up in the morning, for the first 15 minutes, and if you can, maybe even for the first 1 hour, do not check your phone, except probably just to switch off the alarm. Do not open your phone, do not check any messages, notification, send something, you remember something's important. Everything can wait actually, Wait for it unless it's a real emergency, and wait for minimum 15 minutes, maybe 1 hour, and then check your phone.